Hey guys, this is Donna with Donna's Sewing Circle. We're on lesson 13 today in my 15 video series for those beginner sewers to get you a little bit of knowledge base before you begin your first project. So today in lesson 13 we have caring for your sewing machine. This is a printable. I have them listed either in the description or the first comment. It's a pinned comment. So if you go to the link provided and provide your email address, you will get 15 of these, one for each of the videos I'm making. And I printed them on cardstock and I had the library laminate them. They're handy to have around next to your sewing machine so you don't have to keep referring back to my videos. And also I've published Donna's Sewing Circle. It's Kindle or paperback workbook. It's great to have put in your drawer next to your sewing machine. It's a great referral tool. It also has 15 images, full page images that you can cut out, frame, and mount in your sewing room. They're absolutely beautiful. I believe if you order the Kindle book, it also gives you that option to print your pages, so you should be able to do it even if you buy the Kindle. So the links are in the description. So let's get on with caring for your sewing machine. I have a Brother sewing machine. I've been using Brother the entire 20 years that I've been sewing. I absolutely love them. I have had no problems with them. This is actually the first machine I ever bought, and I still use it regularly. I have another Brother that's in the house. It was given to me as a gift. It's downstairs in my dining room where I do quick projects to sew. But when I'm in my studio, this is the one I use. For caring for your machine, you want to clean it. And if you had watched yesterday's video, you would see me. I was cleaning it. For cleaning it, I use Q-tips. I keep a stash handy in my drawer. I use Q-tips. This comes with your sewing machine. It's a little brush. It has a little pick here to help pick things up, maybe that's down loose in your machine. So when you're cleaning, I would use these, maybe a tad bit of oil on the Q-tip to help the lip balls stick to it. I cleaned my machine yesterday. If you want to know anything about cleaning your machine, look at lesson 12, that when I cleaned the machine. Okay, so that's for cleaning machine. And always unplug your machine, have it turned off when you're cleaning it. But to clean the lint out, you remove this portion that is around your bobbin. Mine is really easy to remove. Hopefully it is for the machine you have. So I remove this and it makes all this down here available. And you just clean it with your Q-tip or the brush. Then you put this back on. And it's easy to put back on, just slides in. Okay. You need to oil your machine. I do not have my oil. There will be little spots in your machine. Follow your book. It came with a machine guide. Look it up. Every machine is different. It should tell you where to put oil. But there's little spots that in my machine where I can put little drops of oil. You don't have to do much, just a little bit. Just think of it like a car. Your car needs oil, so does your sewing machine, because those gears are grinding continuously. Okay, and let's see. And you always want to test your stitches before you start your project. You want to make sure you have a nice tail when you start sewing. Otherwise, you're going to unthread your machine every time you start, and that is so annoying. So, and this is my starter fabric. So you just turn it on, you test the stitches, make sure it's sewing properly. That's the worst thing in the world. Start sewing and realize, oh, I need my needle replaced. The seams are too tight. seams are too loose. So you do a practice stitch. Stitches look great, and they don't look so bad on the back. So you test the stitches in this, then let's see. We talked about oiling, how to oil it. Talked about unplugging it before you start cleaning it. And it's always good to wipe it off. I keep mine covered with a sewing machine cover that protects it from dust and dirt. I would recommend that you get one or make one. I'll do a class eventually on how to make one for your machine. And that will keep it and protect it from any dust, any dirt. Keep it lasting a whole lot longer. Today's class is really pretty short. There's not a whole lot to it, but it is one of the most important parts. You really need to keep your machine oiled and cleaned of lint and dust. Always check under your bobbin. At least, depending on how much you sew, minimum a month. If you're sewing a lot, maybe at the end of every day. So it just depends on how much you're sewing, how often you need to check it. And I believe that is it. Very easy, caring for your sewing machine. If you have any questions, reach out to me, ask me questions, and I will do what I can to solve them.